Hi guys, I'm back again. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I'm here today to share with you my amazing, healthy pineapple peel night drink. Yes, guys, I so much love this night drink because of its health benefits and how it works for my weight loss journey. So keep watching till the end of it. For my old subscribers, I welcome you all. And my new subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in also. I really appreciate your coming. Do me a favor, look at your right hand. You see that button that says subscribe? Click on it and you'll see a bell. Once the bell come out, click on that bell so that whenever I post a new video, you can be notified. Thank you once again for clicking on this video. So, as you can see what I'm doing right now, I've already washed because I need that somebody look at the color, guys. Just take a look at that. This is one of the best night fat killing drink you need to be taking every night. Oh yes, every night, and you benefit a lot from it. Just take a look at that. Oh my goodness, I so much love this drink, guys. Give it a try and you will not regret it. Oh my goodness, just look at that. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your comment. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.